Thank you, Rishi. Thanks for inviting me. Hope everyone is keeping safe. My name is Sandeep Singh. I have 11 years of experience in the field of talent management, talent development, HR business partnering, and talent acquisition. I work with organizations like Indus Towers, Future Group, Reliance Media Works, and I'm currently associated with Ernst& Young. I'm working with EY since 6 years, and it's really a fantastic journey till now. I'm privileged to be surrounded by highly intellectual people like CAs, CS, lawyers, engineers, MBAs, and so on. Rishi, that totally depends what kind of questions you will be asking me, but I will do my level best to answer your questions.
Already introduced yourself, Sandeep. The very first question that is being asked to the interviewee is, "Tell me something about yourself." Now, how relevant is that question when the HR already has the resume in hand and asking the candidate the same question? And besides, many candidates have this doubt what to say and what not to rather. So, if Sandeep, you can help us with the understanding of this question per se, what candidates should answer and what they should avoid, that would be really helpful.
Great. So basically, when I was student, and we used to Google it down or faced many interviews, and we also similarly thought that no, why this question has been asked. No, people know what is written in my CV. It has my educational background, my personal information.
Right.
But when you see a candidate comes and walks into an organization, no,
Mm-hmm.
many candidates are nervous, right? To
Right.
begin the conversation, basically this question is asked,
Mm-hmm.
and many time what happens, people think yeah, theek hai, it's very simple, and they don't prepare with this question. They are
Mm-hmm.
very generic. Many people come and say that okay, I think everything is written in my CV, you have already gone to it, so
Oh,
that should not yes.
yeah, they
So
do say that.
correct.
Okay.
So these kind of things happens, no?
Uh-huh.
But obviously, when you say CA,
Mm-hmm.
especially with ICA, the entire journey is more of unpractical exposure. They have 3 years
Okay.
of articleship,
Right.
and many time it happens that no people do articleship from very small firms, so they were not properly groomed, or they are not aware about corporate culture, how things happen. No,
Mm-hmm.
and especially in last 6 years I have seen a lot of CAs, aspiring chartered accountants, are coming from very small cities. No,
Right.
they are some part of Rajasthan or Gujarat. Majority of CAs are from these two places,
Mm-hmm.
and then coming from different places in India. But they are coming from very humble background. Majority of them don't have anyone in their family who is associated with this profession, so
Right.
they don't know actually how to prepare, what to say. They have just their articleship, and I don't know, many times many people don't have that kind of exposure in the articleship. The all three
Right.
years they are worried about is the 50 marks which they have to complete and know
Right.
take this towards CA. So basically, when you go for an interview and the simple question is asked to you that tell me something about yourself, so basically you are invited to share very short anecdote. So basically some personal brief information. So
Mm-hmm.
obviously I always see many people just talk about generic things and then rush away to the next question. But I think four things which is very important when you talk about yourself is, first, take a rest to get personal, because sometimes you connect. no HR, if you compare, it's similar to marketing, right?
Right.
So
Right.
you have to, when you go for some pitching to some client to get business, you have to be personal, right? Otherwise they will not able to connect. Second,
Exactly.
don't be boring. Don't be boring, like ठीक है monotonous way में CV में जो लिखा है आपने पढ़ दिया जाके, right? Third would be, show your purpose and passion, because that is very very important, because that's how we will understand. If you are talking about your extra core curricular activities, then you should have passion. Yes, this is what you have achieved. no matter it is big or small, but for you as an individual, you have to show passion that you love yourself, right? And be
Right.
authentic. Talk about data points. If you have done articleship and you are talking about some project, you should talk about what you have done, and that should be numbers. CAs, you should be very good in numbers. No, many times, even if we see that many times people who have good experience, still
Right.
they come unprepared for interviews. So I think these are the 3 4 things which you have to make sure that no important when you are introducing yourself. And this question is very very important because it makes your first impression. So obviously, when you enter in an organization, your grooming, your dressing, everything matters. But the moment you sit on the chair, the first question will be this. No, 90% times this will be your first question. So as I said, no, this question is to ask a candidate be comfortable, right?
Mhm.
And when you talk about you are not boring, you are sounding interesting, no. And sometimes what happens, no, I have seen candidates they talk very very different things. Like I understand one of the candidate came and talked about that the person is very good swimmer, right, and represented India nationally, internationally. So some way I can relate to that gentleman with some kind of activity, right?
Right.
So
Right.
even if it is rejected, selected, I will always remember that particular candidate. I will
Mhm.
understand the name, face, everything. It might be possible that no, the passion you follow or the hobby you follow,
Mhm.
another gentleman who is your hiring manager might follow the same passion. So you will get a connection. So I think sometimes yes, it makes your decision, no, because that's how people will start asking you questions, how you introduce yourself.
Precisely. I think you really made a right point. Why this question is being asked repeatedly and from the every candidate who faces the interview.
And this is not the new question, no. It's been in the industry for last 20 years or
Exactly.
more than
Exactly.
that. I don't know. Maybe it was asked previously also, but yes, everyone asks this question.